Hey families, this is Ms. Wilder, the assistant principal here at Daniel Jenkins Academy. Thank you so much for being here and viewing our very first virtual open house. In this video, we will highlight staff and teacher introductions, classroom tours, Title I updates and information. We will also feature and highlight some of our amazing electives here, such as environmental science, the Fab Lab, ITV, digital art, gaming, band, and orchestra. So thank you so much for watching, and please fill out the feedback survey at the end of the video.
Hello, Daniel Jenkins Academy families. Thank you so very much for participating in our virtual open house this evening. My name is Dr. Catherine Blackburn, and I am the principal here at Daniel Jenkins Academy. And I just want to let you know that the school year is going really well, and we appreciate all the support that we're getting from the families, and the students are doing it, the teachers are doing it, and things are going well. My message to you today is to help you to volunteer for our School Advisory Council. This is a very important committee that we have here on campus that helps support school improvement as well as supporting the teachers and the students. Tonight we are asking that we have volunteers, and we also have a roster of people that have already been nominated for the positions. However, if you volunteer, you can be on the nominating roster as well. A virtual vote will be taken tonight, and it will all be via SurveyMonkey. So my important message is please join the School Advisory Council because we need you. Thank you.
I'm Ms. Walker. I teach 7th and 8th grade language arts. Right now we're working on learning what an objective summary is and how to create an objective summary. We're using Aesop's Fables, and the kids really are enjoying themselves.
Hi, I'm Ms. Earls. I teach language arts for grades 6 and 7. And I just want to show you some of the things that have been going on in language arts. Our first unit, we are studying conflict. So the students are learning about the narrative frame, and they have to identify the parts of it. And as you can see from the board over here, they're learning how to map out a story on it to show the plot development. Some of the things about language arts, all of the language arts teachers, whether they're online or in person, will be using this grading category. So classwork is 50%, homework is 10%, and assessments are 40%. So all of the language arts classes will be doing that together.
Hi, I'm Miss Bostic, and I am one of the 7th and 8th grade language arts teachers, and I am an e-learning teacher, and it has been a rewarding experience. In your child's Schoology page, there are different folders. There's the Zoom link, which they need to join my Zoom meetings at the beginning of the class period each and every day for instruction and for me to be able to help them. Also, I post updates as to what we're doing the following day. It is very important that they read the updates because it also contains other important information that I need to pass on. From time to time, they may receive an email through Schoology, and sometimes through their student portal. They need to make sure that they are checking these daily. Thank you for allowing your son or daughter to be in my class.
Hi, good evening and welcome to Open House. I am Miss McKay. I am the intensive reading teacher here at Daniel Jenkins. I teach grades 6th, 7th, and 8th, all grade levels. We have been working on a level set assessments recently where the kids are now seeing where they are in reading and what their strengths and weaknesses are. So we'll be working on that all year. The basic thing I would like to share with parents and students is to make sure that, especially if you're an e-learner, that you're coming to class on time and even coming to class. It's very important that you follow your school schedule. If you're supposed to report to third period at 10:22 or whatever time third period starts, that you make sure that your students are logging in. We have to, as teachers, record them absent if they don't show up for class. despite what we might see as far as they're working in other times of the day. So it's very important that you do that. The kids have been very good so far. They're trying to work hard and read their lessons. We're trying to make it happen and get that all-important grade A for our school. We've missed the students and we miss you guys, so we need a lot of help, so we're all in this together. Just have to do it together. All right, so I hope to see you all soon, and take care.
Welcome to Daniel Jenkins Academy. My name is Lakeisha Span. I am the one of the sixth grade math teachers here.
How you doing, parents? I'm Mr. Santiago. Here I teach geometry, algebra, and also pre-algebra. So currently in my classes, algebra, we're learning one-step and two-step equations. Geometry, we are learning angles and different things about the angles. And then in my pre-algebra class, we're learning about transformations. So I'm glad to have you, student, and if you need anything, let me know.
Hi, I'm Mr. Jenkins. I teach intensive math here at Daniel Jenkins Academy. I've been here for the past 2 years. I do have a son that goes here at Daniel Jenkins Academy. I'd like to welcome all of you all to feel free to get in contact with me at Schoology as well as the Remind website. I do have updated information weekly. As you can see here, this is currently what we're completing here in our classroom this week. This intensive math is designed to help your student as opposed to fail your student. So this is a non-pressure situation for you and your student. Please, 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 I encourage you to contact me at any time, email or Schoology, and I will definitely be glad to contact you and answer all your questions. Thank you so much. I'm Mr. Jenkins, and have a great day.
Hi, I'm Cheryl Rogers, DJA's math coach / interventionist. If you and your child are struggling with anything in the math concepts, email me, let me know so that we can get your child on track. Go Jags!
Hello and welcome. My name is Mrs. Borg. I am a social studies teacher. Our 8th grade World Honors class right now is studying world religions, and they are going to compare Hinduism, Buddhism, Christianity, Judaism, and Islam. So they will know all of the major world religions. Our U.S. history students are looking at the original European settlements and how our colonies were formed. And our 6th grade world history students are looking at moving from Paleolithic to Neolithic and the starting of what is a civilization. So we are learning all sorts of good stuff in social studies. Thanks for visiting.
I'm Mr. Gonzalez. I teach civics of 8th graders. We are learning about types of governments. We'll start learning about the Constitution and the Bill of Rights. And all this is in preparation for our civics EOC, which is a test that our students take at the end of the year, and it's 30% of their grade. So make sure your kids are following the civics.
Hi guys, it's Mrs. Isom. I teach 8th grade science and physical science honors here at Daniel Jenkins. I'm really excited for this school year. We're trying to incorporate as much as we can that we would get in face-to-face to e-learning. So hopefully we'll be able to still do some labs this year, so this be a little bit different. This year we're getting ready because 8th graders do take the SSA at the end of the year, and we just got started on our first actual standards, so that's good.
Hello, I'm Mr. Smith. I teach digital art. In my class, we're going to spend lots of time trying to make images, edit images in that sort of Photoshop kind of style without using Photoshop because it's very expensive. But I think we'll have a pretty good time and we'll learn a lot about art. remotely, digitally, and with the greatest crayon box you ever had, the computer.
My name is Mr. Bassito. I'm the fabrication lab teacher. We are currently working on the vinyl plotter, creating decals for students and businesses. We've already had multiple businesses contact us for laser projects as well as 3D projects. So we are very busy at the start of this year, and we will continue to be busy all year long.
Hey guys, I'm Mr. Ballard. I'm the new game design teacher here. We love to have fun at this school, and game design is one of the most fun classes you can ever take.
Good evening, my name is Mr. May. I teach instructional television here at Daniel Jenkins Academy. Students in instructional television learn 21st century editing and video skills using the latest and greatest of technology through computers, cameras, and microphones.
This is Coach McCardle. I am teaching e-learning to students. So just remember, I'm out here playing tennis. Remember that we've got to get up from those computers and stay moving. Peace out. Wear a mask. Bye-bye.
Good evening, Daniel Jenkins students. My name is Miss Markowitz. I'm your new librarian. Just a friendly reminder to please continue to return your books. You guys have done a fabulous job so far. We really appreciate it from the district level. We've had over 5,000 books returned just in the last few weeks, so keep it up, Daniel Jenkins families. Remember to check out mypclc.org. That will take you to the Polk County Library Cooperative. You can literally check out books from the public libraries, and they will ship to your house for free through the mail. It's a great service, and I urge you to take advantage of it.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Boiselle. I'm the ESE teacher here at Daniel Jenkins. If your kids need me or anybody else needs me, we are at this location. So it says this offices, and there are several of us in there. It's great, and we look forward to having your students with us this year.
Hi, I'm Miss Melendez. I'm teacher of the gifted. This is my first year here, and I'm so excited to be here and be part of this lovely family. If you have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me, and I'm here for you.
When the kids come into class, they're always sanitized. They get their hands sprayed at the door. Once that's done, they hang up their book bags. Then they come over to their class crate and they get out their personal bag of materials. So everyone has their own bag. Then when they go to their seat, inside this bag, they have another baggie that has an index card in it, and they put their phone inside that baggie, and then they take it over here and they put it inside their slot. So this way nobody's phone is touching inside the bag. It's inside its own personal little bag. So all the phones are put up here.
Title I is the oldest and largest federally funded education program in the United States. Its purpose is to provide underprivileged children who are behind or at risk of falling behind with additional resources and services. On our school's website, you'll find our Title I page. This has all of the resources you could need related to Title I. Using this website, you'll be able to find our Title I compact for the school year, as well as our parent and family engagement plan. In addition to being available online, if you ever need a paper copy, you can always request one through our front office. When it comes to parent and family engagement, we absolutely love our families and their support. Please consider joining our school advisory council or perhaps volunteering with the school. You can register to become a school volunteer by going to the Polk County Schools website. Also, be on the lookout for our school's monthly newsletters. They go out at the beginning of each month and contain a lot of important information for you and your family. If you want to access our school newsletters, you can go to our newsletter archive page on our website. This will have all the school newsletters that we post throughout the year, as well as newsletters that we've shared in previous years. Also on our website, we have a testing page. This page includes a lot of valuable information regarding district and state testing. This concludes our open house. We encourage you to please complete our survey, which is linked in the description below. We look forward to hearing from you, and we wish everyone a wonderful school year.